Your internet isn't slow. Your PC is secretly limiting it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to double your internet speed in 2 minutes. If you find this guide helpful, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to double your internet speed, the first action you are going to perform is to disable background bandwidth limit. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to click on the start, then I'll move to settings. Okay, so at the settings, you are going to click on network and internet. So at the network and internet, you are going to scroll down at the right pane, and then you'll click on advanced network settings. So at the advanced network settings, you are going to click on data usage. So currently I'm using my Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, so we are going to click on enter limit. So here you don't have to set any data limit. Okay, you don't have to set any data limit. And what this does is it prevents Windows from restricting your speed. Okay, it prevents Windows from restricting your speed. So the second action we are going to perform is to disable Windows Update Delivery Optimization. Okay, to disable Windows Update Delivery Optimization. So to do that, we are going to click on the start again, and then we are going to click on settings. So at the settings, we are going to click on Windows Update. So at the Windows Update, we are going to click on Advanced Options. So at the Advanced option, we are going to click on Delivery Optimization. So at the Delivery Optimization, we are going to uncheck this. Okay, we are going to turn this off. Okay, we are going to turn the Delivery Optimization off. It stops your PC from sharing bandwidth in the background. So you have to turn these settings off. Okay, the last step you are going to perform is in command prompt. Okay, so we are going to optimize how Windows handles network traffic. So to do that, I'm going to open the command prompt by clicking on the search, and then I'll type cmd. Okay, so I'm going to run the command prompt with admin privilege. So I'm going to click on run as administrator. Then I'll click on yes to allow these apps to make changes. So at the command prompt, I'm going to type this command. Okay, net shell int tcp set global auto tuning. Okay, level equals normal. Okay, so you're going to type this command, net shell int tcp space set space global auto tuning level equals normal. Okay, and then we press on the enter key on the keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to exit, and that is it. Okay, so these are the steps to take to boost your internet speed. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.